Now in this video I will start chapter number 1, and which is basically the data representation. According to this chapter we will discuss 3 topics: number system, text, sound and images, and data storage and file compression. I'm gonna to start first topic, which is basically the number system, under which we will cover some topics like binary number system, which has base 2, the octal number system, which has base 8, decimal number system, which has base 10, and finally the hexadecimal number system, which has base 16. So let's have an insight into our first topic, which is basically the binary number system. If I talk about the binary number system, so bi means 2. If it means that there are only 2 numbers present in binary number system, which are 0 and 1. Basically, in computer system, data can be processed, stored and manipulated. Data can be in form of numbers, text and facts. When data goes into a computer system, it must be encoded in binary form. Even if a programmer writes a program by using a programming language that directs the computer to do some task, so the program must be encoded in binary form. Why? Because computer CPU is made up of electronic circuits, and these electronic circuits can only respond to binary numbers. Basically, binary numbers are used to represent 2 things. In terms of symbol, binary numbers represent 2 conditions. Means if there is 1, it is considered as true, and if there is 0, so it is considered as false. And if we talk about binary representation in terms of voltage, so binary numbers represent 2 states, either on and off. If it is on, so it means conducting the current, and if it is off, so it means not conducting current. It means that there is no in-between state for electronic circuit. Now, according to the syllabus, here is a conversion of binary number system. Just keep it in your mind. If a question is given in series of zeros and ones, or with the combination of zeros and ones, so it means the question is given in binary form. Let's move to the first conversion, which is basically the conversion of binary number into decimal number. Just keep it in your mind before getting started. The binary numbers are only 2, 0 and 1. That's why it has base 2. Decimal number system is range from 0 to 9. That's why it has base 10. Here the question is given in binary form, and you just need to convert this binary number into decimal number system. So there are some steps for the conversion. The step number 1 is just write each binary digit exactly the same with some gaps. And under each binary digit you just need to write 2, because there are only 2 numbers present in binary number system, and you know each binary digit position has some weight value. So these weights are powers of 2. So just write the power of 2 from 0 in ascending order from right hand side. Now move to the step number 3, in which we will write the value for power of 2. So you know anything that has power 0 will be equals to 1. So here the power of 2 is 0, so it will be 1. Same as 2 to the power of 1 will be 2, 2 to the power of 2 will be 4, and 2 to the power of 3 will be 8. Next, move to the step number 4, in which we will multiply each binary digit with its weight value. So if we multiply 1 by 1, so it will be 1, 0 multiplied by 2 will be 0, 1 multiplied by 4 will be 4, and 1 multiplied by 8 will be 8. So this is the step number 3. Now next we will add these value. in order to get the final answer. So when we add 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1, so we will get a value which is 13, and which is basically a decimal equivalent. But this explanation is just for understanding, because in your final exam you don't have enough time to write each steps. So for your exam there is a compressed form of binary conversion which I'm gonna tell you. Another question of binary conversion, and the question is given in binary form, and you just need to convert this binary number into decimal number. Just write each binary digit exactly the same with some gaps, and under each binary digit you just write weights for its position. And you know the weight for its position will be 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. You just need to learn and keep it in your mind for your exam. So these weights are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Now next you just need to cross out the weight value under a 0. So here is 0, so you just need to cross 2, and here is also 0, so you just need to cross out 8. And finally we add these weight values, so 1 plus 4 plus 16 plus 32 plus 64, and it will be 117. This is the final answer, which is decimal equivalent. And you know in your exams you just need to write the final answer. So this compressed form of binary conversion to decimal is more appropriate for your exams. Stay connected with the channel, like and subscribe Learning Factor, and learn a lot.